In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SmartArt in PowerPoint. If you want to make your presentation look more visual, organized, and professional, SmartArt is a great tool to use. It helps you turn simple text into diagrams that are much easier for your audience to understand. This is especially helpful when you want to show a process, a hierarchy, a relationship, or a list in a more polished way. To get started, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to insert the SmartArt graphic. Once you're ready, look at the top of the screen for the ribbon menu and click on Insert. This tab gives you access to all the items you can place on a slide, including pictures, charts, shapes, and of course, SmartArt. After clicking Insert, find and click on SmartArt. This will open the SmartArt graphic gallery, where you can choose from a wide range of layouts. You'll usually see categories such as list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, and pyramid. Each category is designed to present information in a different way, so it's a good idea to pause for a moment and choose the one that best matches the type of content you want to show. When you select a SmartArt style, PowerPoint will insert it directly onto your slide. From there, you can type your text into the shapes and begin customizing it to fit your presentation. If the graphic feels too large or too small, you can resize it by dragging the corners. You can also move it around on the slide to position it neatly and keep your layout balanced. A helpful tip is to keep your SmartArt simple and readable. Try not to overload it with too much text, because SmartArt works best when it highlights key points rather than full paragraphs. Clear, short phrases will make the design more effective and easier for your audience to follow. And that's it. To add SmartArt in PowerPoint, just click on Insert, then click on SmartArt, and choose the layout that works best for your content. It's a quick and easy way to make your slides more engaging and visually appealing.